Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Bucket Flow, and today we are going to see about two most important things. Today's topic is S3 version and the replication. Okay, before starting, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and check out other AWS related video, and you can subscribe. If you're on LinkedIn, do follow me there as well, and you can reach out to me. You can check out my portfolio as well, rakeshfund.in, and you can reach out to me from there as well. Let's get back to our topic. Okay, as of now we have a S3. Okay, we uploaded object into the S3, but can we version it? Like if we have a version like v1 and again we uploaded any image into this, so we will get the version 2. Okay, can we do this one like version if I have v 1.1? Okay, so can we do like this in S3 or not? The answer is yes, we can do this versioning just like we have a git for the version of our for the versioning. We have a version system in our S3 as well. We'll see how to do this one. Okay, we'll go to our console. We have a S3. We'll create S3 bucket and then we'll see. Okay, so we'll create a bucket. Our bucket is US East 1. So I will give my S3. Okay, I will give source here. Okay, I will let you know why I'm giving source p1. Okay, hope this doesn't exist, and keep it default. Here the bucket versioning is there. By default it will be disabled, but you can enable it. Okay, but we will keep it disabled as of now. I will show you why. Okay, and keep it everything default and create bucket. Okay, we'll go inside the bucket and we'll upload something. Add file. Let me upload this one. Okay, this is the LinkedIn post, and click on upload and we'll go to our bucket. Okay, inside bucket we have this image type, last modified, size and storage class. Nowhere we are getting the option of versioning. Okay, so what you can do, go to properties, bucket policy. Okay, inside the property only we have a bucket versioning. Okay, as of now it's disabled. Click it, enable and save changes. Okay, so our the bucket version is enabled. Now we'll go to bucket. Okay, and we'll upload one more file and we'll see. So this time I will upload this thumbnail. Upload. Okay, it's uploaded, succeeded. We'll go to our bucket. Okay, now you can see here the option of show version. Okay, so let's enable it, and here you can see the version ID. So before applying versioning, the version ID will be null. Once we will enable it, the versioning, we will get the version ID. Okay, so from now onward, any image, any folder I upload, there will be a version ID. Okay, this is called versioning. Okay, and you can upload the multiple version of the files. Okay, I will show you what I want to say. We'll upload one index.html file. Okay, click on upload. Okay, and we'll make one change here. Okay, in this index file. Okay, and we'll re-upload it again. So we'll open with code. Okay, as of now it's saying Rakesh. Okay, I will save this one and I will upload it again. Get upload, add file, index, upload. Okay, now go to your bucket and you can see here, if you enable it, you can see here the different version. Okay, so this one at 134 and this is 133, so the latest will be this one. Okay, you can delete the version wise. If you want to delete this version, you can delete it, or if else you can keep. Okay, now this is the thing. Now we have done this, so the versioning part is completed. We have see how the versioning done in bucket. Now we will go with the replications. Okay, so Amazon S3, let me write it down here. S3 replication. We have two types. One is CRR and SRR. What this stand? Okay. We have CRR. CRR stands for cross region replication, and SSR stands for same region replication. Okay, what this means? Okay, I will take an example here and then we'll go with the practical as well. Okay, this one. So I have created one bucket. I have added few files as well, and this is in US East 1. Okay, I have created one bucket and I have one more bucket. Okay, I have one more bucket which is in US West 1. Okay, you can see now you uploaded something. You uploaded any file, okay, in US East 1, and you want that file should be available or should be copied and moved to this US East 1. How you can do? Okay, so that's what S3 replication stand for. You can do this one, and we see an example as well. Okay, as of now I have one bucket which is in US East 1. Okay, I will create one more bucket. Okay, let me duplicate this one so that I can open side by side. Okay, let me open side by side here. Okay, hope this is that. Okay, so this is one bucket which is in first bucket here. You can see here this is US East 1 and this one is US West. We'll create a bucket in different region. I will go with US West 1. Okay, I will take example of this US West 1 only, and you can see here the region is this one. I will give my S3 destination. Okay, and this is V1. So this one is US East 1 bucket. Okay, and we need to enable it the versioning. Okay, without versioning you can't replicate things, okay, in between the bucket. So bucket is enabled. Create bucket. Now we will go to our source bucket. Okay, if you go inside, we have 3 files, and in our destination bucket you can see here this is US1 and we have nothing here, okay, as of now. Okay, so what we will do, we will create bucket policy. Go to permission. If you see here the bucket policy, okay, my bad, it will be in under management. Okay, go to the under source bucket. Under management we have a replication rule. Okay, we will create a replication rule, and I will give here my bucket replication rule. Enable priority and source is this one, and apply to all object in the bucket. Okay, and specify. So you can see here we choose the bucket in this account only, or if that bucket is belong to different account as well. Okay, as of now this is the same account, so I will go with this one. And here you need to search this one. Okay, this is my destination bucket. Here I need to mention it, and there is some issue. S3 can't detect whether versioning. Okay, so here the versioning is not enabled. It's in, but it's enabled here. Enable save changes. Enable versioning. We'll check one more time. Okay, it's not giving. Okay, we will do one thing. We'll create one more bucket. Okay, my destination Rakesh V1. Okay, and here we will enable it. See this and create bucket. Okay, we'll search it now you can see here the destination is US West 1, and you need to create the IAM role. Okay, if you have created IAM role, you can create, or you can create the new IAM role. Just select it, it will create it. Okay, and keep it default everything and click on save. So here you will get the option replication existing rule. Okay, so it's saying whether you want to replicate all the existing file to the destination bucket, or you want to replicate only the updated one. Okay, so as of now we'll go with the new one, and we'll upload one image. Okay, and then we will copy to our destination one. Okay, as of now index, LinkedIn and S3, we'll upload one file. That file, we'll go with this one. Okay, click on upload. Okay, we'll go to bucket. Inside bucket ASG, this image we have created, uploaded just now, and we'll refresh it here. Okay, so this is my destination one, and we'll refresh. Yes, you can see here we have that same image in my destination bucket. How you can verify? If you show the version, okay, and check the version, we have 5SNC. Okay, ZW. The same file is copied to our destination bucket. So that's how you can copy the from source bucket to a destination bucket. That's called a replication rule. Okay, and you can, after doing this demo, you can clean it up. Okay, just empty the bucket from source and destination, then delete the bucket. That's all for today's. Okay, hope you like this video. If you have any feedback related to videos, any suggestion you want to give, please let me know in a comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.